Just wanted you to hear the helicopter. And you know, Public Works, always working, doing the roundabout. And since the light's not on, they don't know that I'm filming. Loud, isn't it? Ordering some food. Gonna go back to the hotel and call it a night. But I just wanted you to hear that. These helicopters are in Las Vegas. These helicopters are in City of Miami Beach. And apparently these helicopters are also here in Nashville, Tennessee. And tomorrow we will go hunting for things to look for mud flood, Antiquitech, and old buildings. But these buildings are empty. And if you've been a long-time follower of mine, you know that these buildings were empty before COVID-19 cataclysm happened. So I don't know where the people are. I mean, there's thousands and thousands of cars out there now, people driving. Maybe they're going back to their homes. But when it comes to these cities, at least Atlanta and here, maybe yours, you want to do a walk around. The apartments, the hotels, they're all empty. There ain't no people in them. So get out there and verify you still got a population. Remember the fix, red skies at night. We got some people hanging out, but they don't want to get on camera, so I won't put them on camera because, you know, maybe they're breaking the curfew. Maybe they're Demolay or Job's daughter rebelling and revolting. And but I got that light off now, so now I can make videos and it won't be a big deal. So tomorrow we'll have more videos. If I'm doing night walks, we'll do some night walk videos. And if they're short little blips, enjoy them for what they are. Peace out.